Alright, good morning, guys. What do I usually say? Good morning. Good morning, my name's Dakota. There we go. Good morning, my name's Dakota. It is August 30th, 2021, Monday, and getting into this live stream. What I do on these live streams right now is hop on at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, go over the live charts, any pairs that I'm paying attention to, and tracking setups and trades that I take. And then afterwards, I go ahead and have an over-the-shoulder view as I backtest. Currently doing a 5-year backtesting project for dollar JPY. Yep, dollar yen. Okay, and I'll be doing that until I complete the 5 years, which should be completed by 9/12 right now. Now, something with year 3. Year 3 was phenomenal. If you don't know what I'm backtesting a few things, including partials, different SL movement, scaling into positions, and also I said partials, scaling, and also like a different reversal technique, because my current reversal strategy or approach is terrible. All right, I don't like the stats on it, so testing out a new approach with that. But right now it's looking like I'm just trading continuations for the moment because not getting too many of those so far through backtesting. But as you can see today, like the title is a bit different. I have year 4 day 1, and I'll actually go back through the previous videos and have like what year, what day I'm working on it and stuff like that. Alright, that way it's easier to navigate in the future. Okay. Yeah, let's get into this. So, euro dollar, bought it down here. Got the spy opportunity. I believe, no, I took this after the call, about 9:30. It looks like. And then just looking for price to push up. If we go to the daily view, the overall outlook that I have on this is price pushing up even higher and getting to this high. Now I'm just taking targets there. If price pushes up higher, after the break I'll look for a correction and look for a buying opportunity. My bad, the music was way too loud. I'll look for a buying opportunity there. Okay, so that's dollar, euro, dollar. Man, I'm flipping like my words. That's euro dollar. Now, something that I forward tested. I didn't actually take this trade live. I'm forward testing CAD yen. I've actually already fully tested this and I'm able to trade it live, but I just didn't take it because on my FTML account I have to like close on Wednesday or Fridays, so like the entry wasn't something that I was just gonna re-enter on Monday. It's not that type of trade. Okay. So, interesting setup that I'm looking forward to is actually price coming up to this level and then a sell. I'd be more than willing to take that. And my entry for the forward test is right here in this area, but I'm not going to keep track of that on the the Discord server. So we're going to go ahead and move on and take this off the list. It's not one of the best setups currently. Euro yen's at a make it or break it level. The price is right at the trend line, right on the 61.8, and like literally right now looking for an entry opportunity if one has not already came, which one has come already. I like to see something aggressive. Yeah, I want to see something aggressive happen here. We're going to delete that. No buys right now. The buy setup that I had for last week's invalid from my new markup. I need to see a way more aggressive break to the upside if I'm going to start buying, and a break of a high. So yeah, this is a really solid sell setup that I'm paying attention to right now. Really like it. How the heck does that happen? Did I click copy chart image, save chart image? What happens with this? Okay, what happens if that's gonna bring up the thing. I'm confused then. Is that? Nope. Alright, I don't know why that happens. But like, sometimes when I accidentally click it, it happens. If anyone knows, let me know. I'd love to know. Euro JPY, I don't believe I've set, I wasn't paying attention to this last week, right? Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to this last week, so I don't have a solid update. I probably looked at it like on Thursday or Friday. Yeah, looks like I looked at it on Thursday. But this time it's actually on my list, and this time I'm actually going to be taking it. That's wild. Okay, let's bring that back down to 5. Should have been at 75 or 80. Okay, all good. So that's sent out. Let's delete that. Come back here. Your JPY is probably prime setup right now. Dollar Swiss also a really prime setup. Unfortunately, I just missed the entry. Right, this entry was gorgeous, man, and it doesn't. I don't think we're gonna. I don't think there's another one coming, honestly. Like, at least at this level. Now, something that obviously there's alternative entries like the breakout entry at the breakout of this pattern, or the breakout right above this high. I could also scale down to a lower time frame and find a fractal, like one of, like, if you guys don't know, I guess I'll give a shout out. There's a podcast, the YouTube channel podcast company called Trade Happy. I did an interview for them after I passed the FTMO challenge, and also did another video for them where I talked about how I passed it, like actually going into detail on my strategy and how I approached it. So if you've been following me, you know I'm a swing trader, and I typically like to find my setups on the daily and 4-hour time frame. Sometimes the 1 hour, depends how the market is. But I talk about fractals, and that's essentially what I'm talking about here. Like, if I miss my original entry, I used to be heavy on, I used to look at it as fractals, and if I'm day trading, I used to look at it as fractals. So I'd say, okay, I know that I'm looking for a buying opportunity here. Oh, my buying opportunity's passed. Okay, I'll go down to the 1 hour. Is it possible that this could set up on the 1 hour, or a lower time frame setup on the 1 hour could happen? Exactly like it happened on the 4 hour. If not, I go down to the next time frame. Is it possible that could happen on the 30-minute? And figuring out if it's possible or not, it's obviously just going to take a lot of chart work to get familiar with how price moves. And I'm not going to be trading this. I'm just going to show this example fully. Yeah, it's just a lot of practice, a lot of backtesting, a lot of just a lot of chart work to figure that out and get comfortable with it. But for this 15-minute, we have a reversal pattern. Price broke out. We had a small, probably 5-minute correction there. I like to see a larger time frame correction, so I like the 15-minute time frame, and I like for a corrective pattern to form here. 38.2 retracement or 61.8 in this situation, since it is coming off a descending channel. And that's pretty much how I'd approach this setup, but I don't do that anymore. What I do now is wait for it to come all the way back. If she doesn't come all the way back, I don't get in. Alright, quick overview of gold. We looked at a bar for gold last time we looked at it. It was definitely at least on the 1 hour time frame. What happened to my screen? No, I didn't take this. I didn't finish up my screenshot with it, or at least give the after view. Let's look here. This would have been hit. I should have sent out an update for it. It looks like I didn't send out the new one, But let's say here, okay. So once price is at this level, I would have looked for price to come back to this zone here and look for a buying opportunity. I believe that's what we talked about last time. Did that actually happen? It kind of looks like it stopped short just before the zone, because the zone is based off of that level. Okay, it wicked right into the zone and got that buying opportunity. Are we gonna count this? No, since I have no evidence of a screenshot, I'm not gonna count it. It's on the live stream, like, still not gonna count it. You're gonna have to scour the stream to find where I talked about it. But that would have been a nice setup to take for that little buy there. Of course, how many pips? 370. Go to daily on US 30. What time? Yeah, we got plenty of time. Okay, gonna go over US 30 and Bitcoin, and then gotta take a quick look at dollar yen. Now, for those that are coming from the accountability session, or if you watch the accountability session, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I was really nervous on that, and I said something that was false. I trade, like, I live trade everything that I've backtested at least 100 trades, which is definitely not only, it's everything on this list actually, but I said right now I was only trading Euro JPY and Euro, and I said Euro JPY and dollar Swiss, which that was not the truth, unfortunately. Basically everything that's blue on here is what I actually trade right now, or at least look for setups on and add to my active list. Purple is stuff that I'm considering. What? I was so confused for a second. I yawned and like kept clicking stuff, and I was like, "What?" Like, just from memory, US 30 did not look like what I just saw, at least on the higher time frame. So I was so confused. Okay, so we're in a daily range. Price is approaching the, yeah, okay, perfect. Looking for price to get all the way to the top of this range, and then looking for a possible reversal in that area. Gonna keep on looking for buys up to that area until price breaks this trend line. If price breaks this trend line, looking for sales. Price breaks a low, looking for sales. I like looking for setups on the 1 hour and 15 minute for this pair, or for US 30, and this is what I'm liking right now. Let's go down to 15. I don't like anything there right now, to be honest. Definitely don't like the 38.2. Okay, I do like this. So I'd like to see price come down to about the 50 Fibonacci level. There's a nice little sell possibly there. Let's go down to the 5 minute, can make it a whole lot clearer. Okay, and we can break it up kind of like this. There was an old video that I posted a while ago. I think I like unlisted it since though, because the audio was just terrible. But talking about getting sniper entries, using a method that I no longer use because I don't day trade right now, and it requires me to like stay on the chart to find it, or like have 24-hour access to the chart, because it could really come at any time. I should probably test that. That would be interesting. But anyway, if you watched the video, it had a couple hundred views, so people really enjoyed it. Basically, find the range within the correction on a lower time frame, usually the 5-minute time frame. Comes to the top of the range, look for your entry from that point. Which right now, I like to see price come up one more time and then come down to this level, and then look for a buy there. Would actually be, yeah, when I test US30, that would actually be really interesting to find out, or really useful. Where are we at? US30 update. Did not mean to do that. No, I do not want to create a 30 there. Sorry about that. Okay, in Bitcoin, I'm looking for a buy. And just holding. Oh my gosh. Why does that look so much better? Okay. Man. I thought I meant to click the daily. I thought I clicked the daily. See, I'm making mistakes right now. So give me a second. That's like the third time that I was like, oh, I thought I was here, but I wasn't. And then, like, that's just gonna mess me up. And I have water today, so I'm good. $7.22. Forecast. Okay. just had to refocus. I don't want to like be making mistakes that, especially like, I don't want to be making like elementary mistakes. So I had to take a second. So if you followed the blog, or not the blog, my coffee site, which if you don't know what my coffee site is, it's basically like it's kind of like Patreon, but it's very simple. Yeah, it's a simpler version of Patreon, just like a donation site to show support to creators. I went ahead and made one, and there I just post, basically I go through these charts every single weekend, and I go ahead and post it there. So if you're a supporter, you get that every week, every weekend, at least right now. And the link to show support if you want to is in the description. It's not like a monthly thing, it's just a one-time thing, and you can show support anytime you want to. I actually don't plan on making, let me not say. So here, Bitcoin, we have an impulse up, got this nice correction here on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had this impulse, this correction, we bought down here. Okay, so this is another scaling opportunity potentially. Do I like it? I do like it. Fib level 61.8. It's starting to look perfect. So I like this in addition to the current position. So right there, TP. Since this is Bitcoin, I'm actually gonna go higher than this because I am looking for the uptrend to completely play out. So far I have a position in this area, I have a position here, looking for another position here. And yep. Okay. For you guys, I'll just put it right there. All right. And I'll send this out. Whoa. I accidentally pressed something and it just made a new browser. Jeez. New browser pop up. I don't know what I pressed, but I do want to know what that shortcut was. Okay. I believe that's everything. US30 is really nice. In my eyes, I think it's probably the best thing we're going to look at today. Also, EuroJPY entry, I'm expecting to happen today as well. And I'm waiting on an engulfing candle. If not, I have a plan for entry because I should already be in this trade technically. Okay, well, 7:30. I'm gonna take a quick 5-minute break and then get to back testing.
run. Maraschino cherries made her run. No one had a run like Rhymes. No one.
Is my light different? Looks like I got a dent in my head, but I think the angle of my light is different. That's why I look darker today. I look like I have a shadow over me. Let me turn the music down compared to the other streams. Okay, turn the music down. Let's review. Any questions, comments? Nope. Alright guys, so let me do that. And do that. Okay. USD, looking for targets to be hit. Nothing else to talk about there. Were there scaling opportunities? No. No, there weren't. Just the wrong time frame. Still, no, there weren't. Let's go to my active list. For JPY, I have not got confirmation yet to enter it. Still waiting just for an aggressive candle there. And dollar Swiss, nothing, no action, nothing. Waiting for a 4-hour retracement down to 0.91045, where I will look to enter again. If that doesn't happen, I'm not going to enter for the buy. I want that level. Gold, waiting on a correction. Not much to talk about here. Just waiting for corrections. There's lower time frame sales, which y'all know how to do that. Now I feel lazy, so now I gotta do it. All right, going down to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Top of this impulsive move. There is no correction after every impulse. I need a correction. The Forex market's a mean reversion market. That means it averages itself out. That's why we typically see it retrace to the 50 Fibonacci level. So I'm looking for a retracement. Looking for a retracement right to this high here, and then after that test, looking for a push up. Now price could bounce off this high too, but since there's two possibilities, let's work our way down to a lower time frame, see if there's a better level, which the better level is just right above, which is this high pretty much. So at that level, I'd be interested in looking for a buy. That's not it. Okay, that's better. Then US 30, I'm currently looking for a short-term sell leading to a long-term buy. And did we get our entry? Oh, we got our entry opportunity. Like perfectly. Right there. Okay, we'll either hit targets or SL. And that is everything, guys. If you guys do want to see the full Forex watch list, it is posted on the My Coffee site. The link to that is in the description. And if you want to keep up with future content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this stream, hit the like button. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.